Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add or attach two PDF file into one PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor or click on this convert option, and here you will find this combine option and click here. Now select here add files and go to folder location and select your PDF file. I'll attach this file and this one and select open. You can also open multiple PDF file. These two of this now added. Now you can move up or move down your PDF file and you can rearrange it and see this and move up, and finally select this combine option and see this. These two of this PDF file now combine into one PDF file and see this. Yeah, this is. In this way you can combine as many as PDF file you want. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.